Thank you for choosing to join us today for the programming tutorial video series presented by Digital Learn Lab. Get ready to expand your knowledge and master the use of this programming. Experience the ultimate exploration of programming's advanced features and gain valuable insights in our in-depth presentation today. This video very useful in your life. Let's start by reviewing the well-crafted roadmap we've created for programming challenging road ahead, and then proceed accordingly with our plan of action. We have 7 general questions to discuss. Programming pathway. First question is, what is a programming language? Second is, an understanding of programming languages. Third is, how does it make the job easier? Fourth is, programming advantages. Fifth is, how are programming languages utilized? Sixth is, what abilities are needed? Seventh is, what are the most popular programming languages? That's all. We are discussed alone by what is a programming language. Programming language is a formal language used to instruct a computer to perform specific tasks. It consists of a set of rules and instructions that the computer can understand and execute. Programming languages allow programmers to write code, which is then translated into machine code by a compiler or interpreter, allowing the computer to perform the desired operations. Programming languages can be broadly classified into 2 types, low-level and high-level. Low-level languages, such as assembly language, are very close to the machine language of computers and provide direct control over hardware resources. High-level languages, such as Python, Java, and C++, are designed to be more readable and easier to use by humans and provide abstraction over hardware resources. There are many different programming languages available, each with its own syntax, semantics, and features. Choosing the right language for a particular task depends on a variety of factors, such as the requirements of the project, the available resources, and the expertise of the development team. Learning a programming language involves studying its syntax and semantics, understanding its data types and control structures, and learning how to use its libraries and tools. Practice is key to becoming proficient in a language, and it is often helpful to work on real-world projects to gain practical experience. We will go next section. Next section is an understanding of programming languages. Binary language is used to develop everything from the internet to social media platforms to operating systems. A computer is composed of, collects enormous switches and understands only on and off data. Computers are controlled by a unique combination of switches that can either be turned on or off. Binary code represents these switches as 0 and 1. Due to the billions of switches in computers, it is impossible to instruct a computer using a combination of 1 and 0. The programming language plays an important role here. The purpose of programming is to translate machine language into human language. Each translates binary code and helps us to develop different web-based applications. Programming made it easy to connect humans with computers. Programming is easy to understand, write, and read compared to binary code, 1 and 0, as said earlier. With the help of programming languages, one can create numerous types of websites, applications, and software. This section is almost done. Next section in this video, how does it make the job easier? Very easy for understand this section. Automating repetitive tasks, create new products and services, improving efficiency, improving communication, streamlining workflows, enabling remote work. Overall, programming can be a powerful tool for making jobs easier, more efficient, and more effective. Next section is programming advantages. There are many advantages to learning how to program. Here are a few of the most notable. High demand. Programming is a highly in-demand skill, with many job openings available. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, employment of software developers is projected to grow 22% from 2020 to 2030, much faster than the average for all occupations. Good pay. Software developers earn a good salary, with a median annual wage of $110,140 in 2023. Flexibility. Many programming jobs can be done remotely, which gives you the flexibility to work from home or anywhere else with an internet connection. Creativity. Programming is a creative field, and you can use your skills to build anything you can imagine. Problem solving. Programming teaches you how to think logically and solve problems. These are valuable skills that can be applied to any field. Job security. Programming is a field that is constantly evolving, so there is always new work to be done. As long as you are willing to learn new things, you will be able to find a job in programming. If you are looking for a challenging and rewarding career with good pay and job security, then learning how to program is a great option. Next section is important, and this have reason. I will mention here. Programming languages are utilized in a variety of ways to create software and computer programs. They provide a means for humans to communicate instructions to computers in a way that the computer can understand and execute. Some common ways programming languages are utilized include Developing applications, developing websites, automating tasks, analyzing data, controlling hardware. That's all. Next section is what abilities are needed. To work with programming languages, there are several abilities and skills that are important. Logical thinking, attention to details, analytical skills, creativity, communication skills, adaptability. Overall, programming requires a combination of technical skills and soft skills, making it a challenging yet rewarding profession. The last and final question is, what are the most popular programming languages? Too much programming language have. We sorted latest and top programming language. Please watch and understand. The most languages is JavaScript, Python, Java, C#, and etc. These are just a few of the many popular programming languages that are available today. The best language for you will depend on your specific needs and interests. This is Programming Year-Wise Scale. Thank you so much for watching my video. We can see you in the next video. Bye.